This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about to-go bowls, specifically these Pulp Tech to-go bowls. They feature a lovely natural color, and you have several capacity options available. The 25, 30, 36, and 37, meaning that there's going to be an option that should work well for your needs, whatever they are. There's also two lid options available that you can purchase separately. The clear plastic, especially great if you want to show off the foods that are inside, and the natural. This one also features some great little tabs on the side to help lock that lid in place and keep your food secure. These bagasse bowls are made from sugarcane pulp, and they're 100% commercially compostable and biodegradable. They're safe for both hot and cold foods, and you can use them to store leftovers in the fridge or freezer, or even reheat them in the microwave. They're naturally grease resistant, making them fantastic for a wide variety of different foods, and they feature those great matching lid options to keep anything like sauces or liquids contained during delivery, making them excellent to-go or takeout containers. They're perfect for things like salads, yogurt, acai bowls, soups, stews, rice, poke, smoothie bowls, and more. They're perfect for a variety of restaurants or takeaway establishments, food trucks, salad bars, delis, or just for use at home for meal prep or taking your lunch to school or work.